Today, we are digging into a single, simple choice you make every single day at the checkout counter, a choice that could be costing you thousands of dollars. It's a habit the wealthy just refuse to have, and we're about to show you exactly why. Look, I know that sounds like a crazy claim, a little dramatic, right? But stick with me, because the financial logic here is rock solid. Every single time you use a debit card, you're literally missing out on a powerful opportunity, one that wealthy people have absolutely mastered. So what is it? So what is this big secret we're talking about? It's not some super complicated investment strategy or a sneaky offshore account. Nope. It's something way, way more accessible. In fact, it's hidden right there in your wallet. This is really the heart of the matter. We all kind of assume it's just about having more money to spend in the first place, but that is not the whole story. The real difference, the actual secret, it has nothing to do with the amount on the price tag. And there it is. It's that simple. The payment method itself is where the game is won or lost. It's a strategic choice, not just a reflection of your bank balance. And it means that the exact same purchase can have two totally different financial outcomes, all depending on that one little decision. Okay, so to really understand their strategy, we've got to look at the tool most people use without even thinking about it, the debit card. I mean, a lot of us use it because it feels safe, right? You're using your own money, what could be safer? Well, that feeling of safety, it comes at a hidden cost. Okay, just look at this breakdown. With your debit card, your money is gone. Instantly, zapped right out of your account. You pay 100% of the price, end of story. But when a credit card is used correctly, you're actually using the bank's money for a short time. You get the same item, but you also get a percentage of that money flowing back to you. One is a one-way street for your cash, the other is a two-way street. Here's another way to think about it. For every purchase you make, there's a tiny fee that gets paid to the payment processor. When you use a debit card, you see none of that. You're just paying the full price and letting a potential reward, your money, just vanish. You are literally leaving cash on the table that could have and should have been yours. So all of this brings us to the core principle, the big idea behind this whole strategy. It even has a name, and it's a really powerful way to think about every purchase you make. Let's unlock the hidden math. This right here is the 1% rule. It is a simple, non-negotiable standard. The rule is, if a purchase won't give you something back, you find a payment method that will. It's a total mindset shift. You start turning your everyday expenses into these little mini assets that generate a return for you, no matter how small. Now, you might be thinking, 1%, that's nothing. But let's make it real. Let's say you have an average monthly spend of about $3,500. A basic 1% reward on that adds up to $420 a year. That's $420 for buying stuff you were going to buy anyway. It is quite literally free money. And believe me, that cashback is just the tip of the iceberg. The real power of this strategy is in all the other advantages that build up over time, benefits that a debit card just can't and won't ever offer you. Credit cards give you this massive shield against fraud. If your card number gets stolen, it's the bank's money that's on the line, not your actual cash. Plus, you get things like extended warranties on electronics, insurance on rental cars, and access to airport lounges. And maybe most importantly, every on-time payment helps build your credit score, which can save you thousands, even tens of thousands on future loans for a car or a house. So here's the key takeaway on this. We really shouldn't see these things as little luxuries or perks. They are a powerful built-in financial safety net. It's fraud protection, it's insurance, and it's an investment in your financial future all rolled into one tool, and it costs you nothing extra when you use it the right way. Okay, now we have to talk about the single most important piece of this entire puzzle, because all of these benefits, the cashback, the perks, the protection, they all go up in smoke if you miss this one critical step. And this is it, right? This is the question on everyone's mind. We all know someone, or maybe we've been that someone, who's gotten into serious trouble with credit card debt. Those crazy high interest rates are how the banks make their money, and it is a trap you absolutely have to avoid. This is a mindset you have to adopt. The credit card companies offer all these rewards because they're betting on you. They're betting that you'll carry a balance and pay them a ton of interest that will wipe out any reward you could ever earn. So to win, you have to use their system for your benefit, not for theirs. So, how do you win this game? It's actually really simple. First, you pay the balance in full, every single month. This is the golden rule. There are zero exceptions. Second, automate your payments. Set it and forget it. You'll never miss a due date. And third, and this is the key to everything, treat your credit card exactly like a debit card. Only spend money you already have sitting in the bank. In the end, it all comes down to this one question. With every single purchase, you have a choice. Are you going to use a tool that only takes money from you or a tool that pays you back every single time? The choice is yours. Which one is it going to be?